guys! Good morning! So, bumili kami ng breakfast sa Jollibee because na-miss namin yung mga corned beef and everything. So, ngayon, I ordered corned beef. And, syempre, I paired it with my favorite hot chocolate. Super, super good talaga. And also, meron kaming pancake. 2-piece pancake. Dapat mag-McDo kami, pero nag-iba ng decision. So, napunta na kami sa Jollibee. Yeah, let's eat! Happy Sunday! This brings me back childhood kasi favorite ko dati talaga to. Like, ito yung breakfast namin kasama si Kong Kong. Pag umalis siya, ito yung binibigay niya sa amin. Like, girl, ang sarap! Check. This dress is from Mango and itong bag is from Coach and my shoes are from Nike. Super cute. So we're at Xoxo and now kain kami sa Italianis for RD. Wala, pinaka-okay lang truffle. Sabi yun, na-feel na siya yung na-feel. Tapos, ito yung... Bango na ito. Pang dolce. Bili sana kami ng milk tea but hindi na available yung mga milk tea sa Utah. So, yeah, it's sad. But anyways, we're going home na. So, nasa Coco kami dito sa Banawe. And mag-order kami ng milk tea kasi kanina, diba, sarado yung sa Ifang. Sarado? Ay, mali! Wala nang milk tea dun sa Ifang kanina sa Siyang. Oh my gosh, laglag jacket ko. Wow, so clumsy. So cute na liit. Ano ba lang ganito pa rin? Parang siyang lip balm. May coffee. So, nakakandaw sa room. Para iba yung ano, distilled ba? Amoy mo? Vanilla. Amoy vanilla. So, titingin muna tayo sa MCM because gusto ko na siya. Ha? Lindor. Uy, Lindor! Gusto natin. Oh, yun nga. Ang favorite chocolate. Ito, 1512. Super good daw. From mahal. So, 150. Slay. So cute. So, now we're at Okada. Kakain naman kami ng dinner here. Yan yung tinuturo ni Mami kahapon. Sinabi. Say hi! Hi! May kita niyo sa vlog! Tatlo na lang! Tatlo!
basically purple. Or chocolate. Java chip.
Taste test. Okay, so medyo wala daw lasa. Taste test again. Baka second time's the charm. Wala talaga, guys.
Roscoe 2.0.
Hi guys, so today we're in Okada. Let's go on my adventure.
Okay, come on.
I think I know that person. So let's go.
Okay.
Hi to the vlog. Guys, I saw my pet tiger pala, guys.
Tiger.
Okay guys, I just got home and let's do a mini haul. First is from Victoria's Secret. Kay mami to halos and isa lang yung sa amin. So first we have here, set ata to ng perfume. This is the Bombshell. Ayan. Bumili lang siya ng lipstick from MAC. There. In the shade Posh Pit, and ito yung Luster Glass lipstick. We have our favorite Lindor chocolate. Assorted yung binili namin kasi para sulit na all the flavors. And you know guys, favorite ko dito yung dark chocolate. If alam niyo yung color black, like girl, yun yung pinaka-favorite ko. Pero feel ko wala dito to. Hey guys, today is a Tuesday and online week namin yun if di ko pa nasabi last time. For today, wala kaming class kasi ginawa asynchronous lahat. So, pinagawa sa amin, gagawa naman kami ng mga assignments. So, ang agenda ko for today, gumawa ng mga assignments. So, mayroon ako gagawin na 4 assignments. Ayan, nilista ko siya dito sa notes. Simulan ko na yung isa, which is yung ipapasa ngayon sa discussion board. And yun, so, i-check na natin sa list. And next, gagawa lang ako ng poster and yung contemporary. Kuha ko na RI for our research, tapos nayos ko yung isa kong assignment na reflection. And ito, this is how I eat Jolly. Kinakain ko muna yung cream, then kain ko yung biscuit. Comment below if ganito rin kayo kumain. So good. Present po. Hi guys, good morning. So today wala kaming class because nag-announce yung mayor na wala tayong pasok because of the weather. Pero 1 kasama kasi dapat lang i-attend ko. Or 10:30 AM siya. I realize ko this week, more on pahinga ako because last 3 weeks sobra ako napagod sa pagko-commute. Like, ang hirap pag-adjust. Alam niyo guys, sabihin ako, hindi ko pa rin natapos yung assignment na sinabi ko sa inyo kahapon. In reality, tinatamad ako, yun, okay? 2 days na sinabi ko tatapusin ko yung mga assignments ko, but girl, hindi pa din. Ito ba kayo guys? Because matagal yung deadline, doon ako tinatamad. Guys, I'm done with my infographic. Oh my gosh, natapos ko na yung assignment ko. Here. Okay. There, ayan, tapos na siya. Oh my gosh. It's good. Today is Saturday and natapos ko na assignments ko. Ang susunod na assignment ko na lang sa titira is for next week. So, next week ko na gagawin. And, mabilis lang naman yun. And yeah, natapos ko na rin ang assignment ko. I'll enjoy my weekend and do some work stuff. And ayun lang, I guess I end my vlog here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!